One of the greatest people that have taught me a lesson was my own son, Nicky, my eldest son. He made a commitment last year, and he said, I'm just going to do one thing consistently for the whole year. And this is what he started doing. He says, I'm going to eat healthy and I'm going to gym every day. And he did it. He just celebrated 1 year of living a healthy lifestyle and never missed one day of gym. And I'm telling you, his body's ripped. He looks good. He's healthy. He makes me feel so guilty when I eat a chocolate or eat junk food. And he will go, come on, Dad, look after yourself. You need to live a long life. And how can you eat all those things? And it's so, I always tell him, Nicky, just get a life, man. We all have to have some sweet stuff and desserts and stuff. And I would go at him and say, don't be like that. But in the back of my mind, I know he's established a very powerful routine and a habit that has caused him to look so well. And but here's the thing, I've learned from him one thing, and that is, if you want to keep to your New Year's resolutions, here's the key. Establish one thing that you will do well for 1 year. This is where I failed. I have written down a whole page of this is what I'm going to do, and I wrote down everything, and by February I've already forgotten all of them because it's too much and it's too many things. Now you must have goals. That's very important. You must have goals you want to achieve, targets you want to reach. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about establishing something, one thing. So I want to challenge you today. Why don't you take one thing and make that the best thing? Choose out of your list, your New Year's resolutions. Choose one thing you're going to achieve and be consistent for a whole year and try to develop that.